Hi, I'm Jerry Klum. My father ran a fire protection contracting company for many years in northeastern Pennsylvania. While working with his customers, he always had the same problem that everyone complained about: the smell of sprinkler water and the mess involved in changing the heads. Being a very creative guy, he invented and patented the solution. It's called the Dropmaster. We've been manufacturing for close to a decade. Dropmaster is the fire sprinkler system odor and water eliminator. You can get rid of the buckets and the tarps. Dropmaster saves time and money for the facility and the contractor, whether it's fire protection, plumbing, or mechanical. Simply put, the Dropmaster unit can clear the line right the first time, every time, simply by applying the vacuum to the line and drawing the smelly water away from the work area.
The Dropmaster works on any type of process piping that needs to be cleared of non-combustible liquid. In the case of sprinkler systems, the Dropmaster unit can be connected to any point on the system, even in a service area of the building away from traffic. When a technician begins to remove the sprinkler head, air enters and the vacuum pulls the dirty water back away from the head. It is expelled to drain through the Dropmaster unit. No more buckets and tarps and the awful odor. The Dropmaster allows any technician to remove or change 4 or more sprinkler heads at one time. The Dropmaster is a tremendous time saver for the contractor, creating higher profits per job and less mess in the facility, resulting in happier building managers. Fire protection contractor Mark Malatoris of Scott Township, Pennsylvania, utilized the Dropmaster in a nursing home job recently and was amazed that his union crew cut their time on the job by more than 60% using the Dropmaster.
I purchased the Dropmaster from Jerry and Orna earlier in the year and had not used it yet. My company bid on a 2-story nursing home job with 125 sprinkler heads per floor. We did the job last year and it took us 5 days to change the 250 heads. So I bid the job the same as last year and we were selected. My guys hooked up the new Dropmaster on Monday morning and went to work. By 2 in the afternoon they were on the way back to my shop and to my amazement had finished the first floor and said they would complete the job on Tuesday. They had not even worked a full 8-hour day and had changed 125 heads. I was amazed and very pleased. We wrapped up the job Tuesday afternoon, 3 days ahead of schedule. The property manager at the nursing home was extremely happy with the speed of our work and the fact that they did not have to deal with the awful odor and mess throughout their building as they had the year before. I could not be happier with Dropmaster and I highly recommend it. The Dropmaster is continuing to generate profit for my business and has definitely paid for itself many times over.
Every contractor needs at least one Dropmaster. Building and facility managers with maintenance staffs need a Dropmaster. Mechanical and plumbing contractors need the Dropmaster. In fact, anyone who works on pipe needs the Dropmaster. Unlike contractors who use other vacuums, the Dropmaster is a patented continuous duty device which applies 10 inches of regulated vacuum to a piped system and is designed to run 24/7 or as long as needed. The new Dropmaster model DM12 meets the requirements of all systems and applications. The DM12 includes the new low amperage motor which draws significantly less current. Contractors can realize labor savings of 50 to 80%. No more hauling buckets of dirty, smelly water and damaged ceiling tiles. The technician goes up the ladder, changes the head easily. No more mess, no more smell, no more water, and no more cleanup. Down the ladder and on to the next head. The Dropmaster takes away the contractor's pain and not only saves money but makes money by allowing workers to complete tasks much more efficiently. No more liability from carrying buckets of dirty water through buildings for each head. No more liability of damaging floors, ceiling tiles, desks, office equipment, and furniture. No more overtime because of problems with trapped water in the sprinkler system. The Dropmaster takes away the pain, and that also generates into